Welcome to another edition of Shop Talk. I purposely put the camera this direction so you could see that I do stuff. There's a table there, and there's another one actually. You can't see. I don't know. It's not lined up right, but there's one in the spray booth getting, lacquer put on it, cutting boards and stuff. The remnants of Santa's workshop. And so I don't just talk into a camera for a living. I do stuff. Actually, I couldn't talk into a camera for a living because they don't pay me for my videos. I don't know if you've seen any of my other videos to know why that is. Just watch the other videos and you'll be like, that's why he's not getting paid to do those. I also want to give a shout out to my mom. In all of her wisdom, a few years ago, actually it was a lot of years ago, it was like half my life ago, her and my dad, obviously very wise. When you're a son or a daughter, you don't really realize how smart and how wise your parents were until you get older. And so if you're watching this and if you're a child or a kid, you should, especially one of my kids, if y'all are watching this video, mom and dad are real wise, and you should listen and obey. So, but if you're not one of my kids, you should still do that. But if you are one of my kids, you definitely should do that. But in all their wisdom and knowledge, they knew that the coronavirus would be a thing, that I would dislike the whole mask thing, because especially now with the cold weather, you try and wear a hat in somewhere, and you have to pull up the sides and put the ear things around, and it's just it's just annoying. But I do it because I have to go to Walmart sometimes. But in all their wisdom, they got me this hat, and it has this option. We'll upgrade here to the hat, where you can just pull that right down and you're ready to go into the store or the bank, which I don't understand how we got to that point where you can literally go into a bank kind of like this and make your deposits. Or if you're going into a bank like this, you might be trying to make a withdrawal, would be my guess. But so I'm sure the bank will enjoy that I have this hat now. Anyway, so shout out to you, Mom. Thanks for that hat years ago. We finally found it under some clothes somewhere in the house, and now I have it to wear. I also wanted to talk about the true meaning of Christmas, and it's not a guy in a red suit with a belly like mine that goes down chimneys and leaves you stuff under a plant in your house. But it is about the birth of Jesus Christ. And you can read about that in the book of Matthew in the Bible, where we see an angel appearing to Joseph, telling him that your wife is going to bear a son. His name will be Jesus, Emmanuel, which means God with us. And that is the true meaning. We're celebrating Jesus' birthday. But somehow along the way we got to where we give gifts to other people on Jesus' birthday. Which I'm trying to just play that out in my mind, how we got there. Because, I cannot imagine what Amanda would say to me if it was her birthday and I said, "Hey, happy birthday, Amanda. You're the reason for today. We're celebrating, that you were born on this day." And then I give a gift to somebody else, like a friend, not even Amanda. I don't understand how we got to that point in the world, but we did. But we're also wearing masks and things into banks. So anyway, the real reason is the birth of Christ, and obviously we celebrate at Easter where he sacrificed his life on the cross for us. And so I don't want you to forget that. So happy birthday, Jesus. In a couple more days, it'll be Christmas. And I do have a gift for you guys on Jesus' birthday. Again, I don't understand it, but you're supposed to give people stuff. I have another list of things you hear from the other room, or kids' sayings, as we call them. And spoiler alert, I am well on my way to get a third list. So, this is the most recent ones. Buckle your seat belts, and here we go. Do you want to know what hobo means? Swallow that water. But Mom, I was saving it for later. I don't know why. We have water, running water at our house, if you can believe that. She felt the need to save it though. What is your favorite store in the Amish country? Well, my sister's is the place with all the snacks, but mine is obviously Keim Lumber. That is definitely a child of mine. Ew, did somebody toot? That was Dad from earlier. Whew, Dad, my heart is really beeping. When I sniff in really hard, I can suck up all my nose boogers. Put that phone down and change your pull-up. That was really, we said that. My wife did, not me. This one actually didn't happen from the other room. This happened while we were driving in our homeschool bus. Whoa, what is that place? That's the Kalahari. That's the place where Dad never takes us. No, we don't throw cereal all over the floor. Go pick it up. I can't. My ankle hurts. Of all the excuses that a child could give to a mother, that was what she went with. I want ice cream for breakfast. No, you can't have ice cream for breakfast. What kind of cereal do you want? Then my other daughter responds, Mom, isn't ice cream just all sugar? Cereal is all sugar too. What's the difference? Just give her ice cream. And so there you have it. There is another list of things you hear from the other room. Thanks for watching. If you feel the need to share this video, go ahead and do that. I wouldn't know if you did or not, so it doesn't really matter, I guess. But just want to also say Merry Christmas to you. Don't forget the real meaning for the season.